Hey, what's up, IG? Hey, just wanted to let you know if there's any kind of leaders out there, business owners, whatever you are, make sure that you are leading your people from a for perspective, meaning what can I do for my employees? What can I do for my assistant? How can I help them become the best version that of their self in the role that they're in? Because ultimately, that always dictate what you can get out of them. And if you can get a lot out of them, you can make money, right? It's a benefit to it. But you can't go into it thinking, what can I get out of them? You got to go into it, how much can I invest into them to allow them to be the best version of this position, or the best version of the person that you wanted for this position, so they can duplicate, they can multiply the outcome that we're getting, right? Too many leaders go into it, what can I get from this person, right? So when they hire a salesman, they're thinking, okay, this salesman is going to drive my top line. So they're always in a constant phase of, you're supposed to be helping me, you're supposed to be doing this, you're supposed to be doing this for my company. Instead, you're not. And you're getting that result because you don't have a for mindset, you have a from mindset. You're thinking about what you can get from them. But ultimately know that you can, what you pour into somebody, right? When you're looking to make their life better, when you're looking to do stuff for them, typically you get the results that you're looking for. So don't go about it backwards. More people go about it backwards than any time before. And a lot of people are thinking, okay, I need to hire because they're going to help me out. Hire. Once you hire, become a leader, invest in them, get coaching for them, whatever the case may be. Give them a book that they need to read, hold them accountable to doing it, setting a standard for them inside the company, whatever the case may be, to allow your business to be a better business. But ultimately, don't be the leader always looking to get something from somebody. Be the leader that's looking to bring people in and actually impact them and do something for them, change their life, right? Make their life a little bit better, pay them a little bit more than what they've been paid. Essentially, that's how you get the retention of clients. But ultimately, that's how you create a culture that everybody is contagious. Like, everybody wants to win. That's how you get a company like Apple, like Google, like Netflix, whatever company, Tesla's out there, right? That's how you get the type of company, not a company that people want to go back and bash behind the back because people aren't doing anything for them. Or yeah, people aren't doing anything for them, and the leader is thinking about, how can I get something from them, right? So with that being said, keep winning, but always make sure you're investing into your knowledge. If you're not investing into yourself, even with nuggets like this, you're going to always be waiting for me to give it to you. And I don't think that's fair to you or your life. So always invest for the knowledge, to have a thirst for that knowledge, to allow you to be a better leader, a better business person, a better manager, a better husband, a better wife, a better father, whatever the case may be. But keep winning. Let's go.